So I've got this multi-tool from Amtech, mainly for fishing, and it's about 12 pounds online, and it had some good reviews, so I said I'll give it a try. It is a bit heavy, but let's see anyway. You can't say that it's small, but you can't say that it's that big either. And stainless steel with 12 functions on it, and the storage pouch right here. Let's see. Place it all the way in. Try to close it. Not really. Try it the other way. Okay, that is better. So with a little axe on this side. Okay, let's take a look at the tool. And what you have here is the mini axe. I'm gonna get to this in a second. Let's remove this rubber thing that's protecting it. Feels quite sharp. On this side you have pliers. Let's undo this little nut. So you have the pliers here and the wire cutter right there. So that will cut the wires. And then here there's a mini hammer right here, and part of the multi-tool. Open them one by one, and that is a knife right here. Again, feels sharp. And the next one would be a so-called descaler and hook remover. Put that there. Then you have the Phillips screwdriver right here, a hex wrench. It's 4 small bolts, the bottle opener, and the can opener as well. And on this side there's a file. There's the saw right there, and flat screwdriver, which is quite thick really here. So what I might want to do is just sharpen that a bit so I can use it for different screws. Not that I'm going to use it or have any screws in fishing. Close this back up right here, and lock it. And like I said, this is a small mini axe. Let's see if this does cuts anything. So what I have here, a piece of wood and a little branch. And let's see if I can make a mess. Really, that's no problem at all. Again, yeah, that's the job for small little branches. As far as this big piece of wood is concerned, I can split it. This is old, of course, so just make sure you keep that there. Thing is, this always, when you knock it, well, it's coming off. But for small branches and all that, it's fine. As far as the hammer, of course you can nail nails with it and all that stuff. I think it's alright for the purpose and for fishing. I'll see how it behaves in the field. So the Amtech 12-in-1 folding multifunction tool, about 12 pounds, comes with a pouch.